In the quaint town of Clearview, nestled between rolling hills and sparkling rivers, lived an elderly glassmaker named Mr. Adams. His shop, Adams Artful Glass, was filled with shelves of shimmering glass figures and colorful vases, each piece handcrafted with meticulous care. Despite the beauty of his work, the people of Clearview had grown accustomed to more affordable, factory-made glass items. As a result, Mr. Adams' once busy shop had seen quieter days. Mr. Adams, a widower with kind eyes and a gentle smile, had spent his life mastering the art of glassmaking. His wife had been his biggest supporter, always encouraging him to create from his heart. Since her passing, Mr. Adams found solace in his craft, pouring his memories and love into each creation. One sunny morning, as Mr. Adams walked through the bustling town square, he noticed the laughter of children playing around the fountain, the friendly chatter of vendors selling fresh produce, and the overall vibrancy of community life. Inspired, he decided to capture this scene in glass, hoping to remind the townspeople of the beauty surrounding them. Back in his workshop, Mr. Adams began the painstaking work of creating his masterpiece. He started with the base, a large, flat piece of clear glass that shimmered like the surface of the nearby river. Onto this, he carefully added elements of the town square. He crafted tiny glass figures of the children, each one frozen in a pose of joyous play. He modeled vendors from memory, their glass miniatures holding baskets of colorful fruits and vegetables. He even replicated the old oak tree that stood watch over the square, its glass leaves catching the light with a magical sparkle. As weeks turned into months, the sculpture grew. Mr. Adams worked with a passion fueled by the smiling faces of those he'd seen in the square. He added benches, the cobblestone paths, and even the small birds that flitted around the fountain. Each piece was a token of his devotion to his craft and his community. Finally, after 3 months of labor, the sculpture was complete. Mr. Adams invited the entire town to the unveiling, which he held in the very heart of the town square. The day of the event was bright and clear, the sun casting warm glows on the glass that seemed almost to pulse with life. The townspeople gathered around, their curiosity piqued by the large, draped form in the center of the square. When Mr. Adams pulled away the cloth, gasps and murmurs of admiration swept through the crowd. The sculpture was a mirror of their daily lives, captured in the permanence of glass. Each person could see themselves or their friends in the figures, each detail reminding them of a familiar sight or a forgotten moment. Overwhelmed by the beauty of the artwork, the people of Clearview saw Mr. Adams' creations in a new light. They realized that these weren't just glass figures but storied pieces of art that held the essence of their lives and memories. The sculpture brought the community closer, and people started visiting Adams Artful Glass more often, eager to own a piece of Mr. Adams' art, to have a token of their shared history. Mr. Adams' business flourished once more, as did his spirit. His shop became a local treasure, a place where craftsmanship was appreciated and celebrated. The glassmaker's vision had not only revived his business but had also woven him tightly into the fabric of Clearview, a town that now saw him as much more than a craftsman. They saw him as a visionary who had captured the heart of their community in glass. Moral of the story: true passion and dedication can change perspectives and bring appreciation to craftsmanship, binding a community closer through the shared beauty of art.
If you like the video, subscribe to our channel for more motivational stories.